Cerulean Warbler Reserve was established in 2005 thanks to the help of the American Bird Conservancy and Robert Gills, in order to conserve typical habitat of the Cerulean warbler, the most threatened migratory bird of the Americas due to the habitat destruction throughout its range. The reserve hosts an important population of this species during the wintering period from October to February and is the first South American reserve for a migratory species. The reserve is located 471 kilometers from Bogotá in the municipality of San Vicente de Chucurí in the department of Santander, Colombia. The reserve can be accessed by secondary roads from the city of Bucaramanga in only 3 hours. As a part of our conservation program, the reserve produces bird-friendly Cerulean warbler coffee, grown in shade coffee plantations where seedlings of native trees grown in our nursery are planted. We have several hectares cultivated under this system in the reserve, which are visited by the Cerulean warblers and many other migrant and resident species. The picking of the coffee, pest control, and roasting are carried out under the strict supervision of experts who assure the quality of the product. Currently, we are working to create a conservation corridor using silvopasture techniques and reforestation with native trees grown in the nursery. Throughout a long-term monitoring and conservation project, ProAves has studied migratory birds. Amongst other threatened species protected here are gorgeted wood quail, chestnut-bellied hummingbird, white-mantled barbet, and black Inca. Other groups are also protected, such as the virulent poison dart frog, Ranitomeya virulinensis, and the spectacled bear. Germania, one of the schools near the reserve, belongs to the school's program, Friends of the Birds, run by ProAves. Each week, the children meet with the environmental educator from the reserve and by means of the educational games and lectures, increase their knowledge of birds and conservation. Ecotourism is very important for the Cerulean Warbler Reserve to help its long-term sustainability. By visiting us, you not only have the opportunity of enjoying a marvelous experience, but you're also helping conservation. Come and fly with us.